Hey y'all, I'm coming at you today with something I'm super excited about. I think I'm really gonna like it because I picked it out. But anyway, y'all see the big box here. Y'all got me over here in the corner. Y'all see the vibes. So it comes in a really big box. And also, I'm gonna just start off by saying, UPS, Brown, you know, me and Brown, we get along real well. But whoever they had delivering today did not ring my doorbell. Like, I got a big old doorbell sitting there. Everybody else rang it, but they didn't. I thought I heard somebody knock, but I was on a Zoom call, but they knocked instead of ringing the doorbell. So let's get into this box though, y'all. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to take it out. Let's see. Okay, I threw that down there for my cats to play with. Go play. Okay, so you can see already it comes wrapped in a plastic bag. So let's start taking that off. Got the plastic bag off. So there is a little black card on top. We will open this up. And it's just some care instructions for what I got. So we'll put that to the side. And then, okay, it looks like you just, I don't know if you guys saw this box really well, but this is what the box looks like. So it's like a window all around. So I think you just lift this up. Yes. And if you can see, like the roses left kind of a mark on the inside of the box there. And then there's plastic around here, so I'm just gonna take all of this off. I already smell them, y'all. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. See, it's like a heart imprint right here. And this is what I got, y'all. How pretty. Look how perfect that is. Is that not perfect? So I got the heart-shaped box in the pink suede. And it just says the Million Roses right there. And what else does it say? Oh, Los Angeles. The Million Roses, Los Angeles. These are so pretty. So I got I'm trying to see, I don't know if this is the true color. Now I need to go in sunlight. Okay, yeah, it doesn't quite look red. So they kind of look red, but they're actually magenta, which is like a really deep pink that they have to the point that it almost looks red, like I said, but it's not quite. So they smell like some kind of perfume, but not like a flower perfume, because I don't like flower perfumes at all. So if you ever want to buy me perfume, don't buy me a flower one. I wouldn't say they don't smell like roses. Some kind of They smell like, they have kind of like a perfume smell though. But this box feels so soft to the touch, and it kind of matches my nails. Y'all see my new nails? Okay, but y'all, okay, and this is the bottom. But these are so gorgeous. I'm just gonna hold them here like this. So these are from a company called The Million Roses, and I got them during their Black Friday sale. My husband told me to buy them, and y'all, honestly, I'm not a flowers person, like at all, but I was really excited to get these because, I mean, the presentation of it, I mean, you can't beat it. So you can pick, they have so many options. So I chose to go with the heart box, and I got it in the pink suede. You can get it in black, you can get it in white. You can also go with the classic round box. And then of course they have so many flower colors to choose from. You will find something that you like. But these flowers are so expensive, which is why I got them during the Black Friday sale, where they were, I'm not sure if they were half off. I don't think they were half off, but they were a certain percentage off. And then on top of that, I was able to find a coupon, because you know your girl always gonna look for a coupon, even when something is already on sale. I'm gonna look for a coupon. So I found a coupon that allowed me to get an additional 15% off. Okay, so I'm saving my husband money, okay, right now. That's the kind of wife I am, okay? Give me my Wife of the Year trophy right now, okay? But anyway, y'all, I was so excited to get these. Like I said, even though I'm not a flower person, because I honestly don't like how flowers smell. I know that's blasphemy to some of y'all, but I don't like how flowers smell. I don't like flower perfume, and flowers die. I mean, you buy it and it dies, like it's dead like a week later or something. Like, they don't last, and you know, you gotta put them in water and trim the stems and all this extra stuff. And if you know me, you know your girl lazy and I ain't got time for none of that, okay? So these, however, last up to, keep in mind I said up to, they last up to 3 years. 3 years, y'all. I mean, I'm pretty sure from what I could see on the internet, The Million Roses was the only company saying that their flowers could last up to 3 years. Now, I'm very excited to see how long they actually last. I did see a couple of reviews on YouTube, so they definitely will last 1 year. They definitely will last 1 year, but I'm curious to see how they will last beyond that. So I think the key is going to be to keep them out of sunlight, which isn't hard where I'm at right now, but it might be hard when I move into my new home. But right now it's not hard to keep them out of sunlight. But yeah, that's the thing. They're like, for the care instructions, let me read those to y'all really quickly. It says, do not remove the flowers from the box. Do not put anything on top of the flowers you would crush them. Keep away from direct sunlight and extreme heat, and do not add water. And it says, how long the arrangement lasts will all depend on the air quality of the environment they are kept in. Exposure to direct light or extreme heat can shorten their lifespan and destroy them. So it says it will depend on the air quality, but like, what about the air quality? Are they talking about like humidity or like, I don't know. That's a good question. I'll probably see if I can ask them that question, because I want to make sure that I have the optimum air quality to allow these gorgeous flowers to last for as long as they were intended to last for. So I think this is, I'm about to actually count these for y'all to see how many roses. They give you a range online, but let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 29. From what I recall online, they'll say that you'll receive between 20, I think it says 24 to 30 roses, but, and y'all can tell me if I can't count. It's okay, but I counted 29 roses in here. But y'all, I'm super excited. These are so gorgeous. I don't know, I think it's because they last. I think that's the thing. Like I said, I'm not typically a flowers person, but since I ordered these, I kept telling my husband, oh, I'm so excited. My flowers are coming. Are you excited? I'm excited. But I'm so excited that these are here. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram. It's the same as here, HP Life and Style, because you will definitely be seeing this gorgeous arrangement in my pictures. And if you're not subscribed here, go ahead and click that button down below, just because of the flowers, okay? Click the subscribe button just because of the flowers, okay? And I think they're still having a sale going on right now. It's not as good as it was for Black Friday. They sent me a coupon the other day that said something about 30% off. So I just went to go check, and it's not as good of a sale as it was the other day. So if you want to get these, honestly, I would get them during the Black Friday sale, because that might be the time when they are the most discounted. And y'all know I am all about trying to help y'all save money, okay? So if you're interested in these, I hope that this video was very helpful to you. Like I said, there are some reviews on YouTube, but there aren't a lot. But trust and believe, I will be back in a year at the latest with an update on these, because that's what I was looking for when I was doing my research online. I'm like, how long do these actually last? So go ahead and subscribe so you catch my review in a year. Okay, we'll still be here and we'll still be doing this. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what your favorite flower is down below. I've seen some other companies that do preservation for flowers other than roses, and those are really pretty too. So I might try those out. So drop your favorite flower below, and yeah, let me know if you even like flowers or not, or let me know if you're like me and you're not typically a flowers person. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.